Hi guys, Ronnie Sabino again of Graham Students Samdayan. So shoutout muna sa lahat ng mga estudyante natin dito sa CBRC Dumaguete at saka CBRC Secure. Okay, may tanong dito sa araw na ito. Chihuahua has been subject of murder arrest warrant. In accordance with the warrant, the staff of Masong Municipal Police Station took him in custody. How long should it take to deliver Chihuahua to the appropriate court in order to escape punishment under Article 125 of the Revised Penal Code? Yung sinasabi kasi dito, si Chihuahua has been arrested for the crime of murder. At ang sabi pa dito, okay, dinala siya sa Masong Municipal Police Station. So, how many hours daw na kailangan nating mag-file ng kaso, okay, para hindi daw posibleng makasuhan ang mga pulis dito ng Article 125. Ang Article 125 kasi is the delayed in the delivery of person to the proper judicial authority. Okay, yun yung sinasabi dito. So sabi dito, letter A, none as he should wait for the issuance of a commitment order by the court. Letter B, 18 hours. Letter C, 36 hours. Or letter D, 12 hours. So tandaan lang natin, gagamit lang tayo ng reglementary period, mga future criminologists, kapag ang inaristo natin, okay, ay warrantless arrest. Ibig sabihin, nahuli yung tao, okay, sa posibleng tatlong mga circumstance. Okay, in flagrante delicto, hot pursuit, okay, sa maliban pa dyan is yung mga escape prisoners. Dito kasi sa tanong, may warrant of arrest po ang isang tao. So ito pa, idagdag natin, i-deliver lang natin yung mag-file tayo ng complaint doon sa prosecution o sa prosecutor, okay, kapag 12 hours, light felonies po. Okay, kapag 18 hours, less grave felonies. 36 hours naman kapag grave felonies. Sana dito, kung wala sanang warrant of arrest dito, ang sagot sana dito ay 36 hours. Kaso meron pong warrant of arrest itong si Chihuahua. Kaya hindi po pwedeng file natin ng kaso kasi may warrant of arrest eh. Ibig sabihin, dumaan po ito sa preliminary investigation. Hindi po ito dumaan sa inquest proceeding. Kasi applicable lang yung 12, 18, and 36 kapag inquest po ang sinasabi natin. Ibig sabihin, nahuli yung tao na walang warrant of arrest. Okay? So ang sagot dito ay alpha. Okay, hintayin lamang po yung commitment order na galing sa court.